step 3 of editing. We have our blank document, we have our prompt, it's created an IEP for us, but maybe it's not substantial enough, maybe it needs more. Now, there's a few ways you can do this, but we're going to focus on solely using Chat GPT for edits within the document. So, for instance, say we went up back to the plebs. We went, that's just not enough. Like, no IEP is really a paragraph. It needs to just be more. So, what we do is we just tell it that. You write a prompt on the bottom saying, please expand the reading and math plep sections. What you could also do is say, like, okay, the reading and math is great, but there also needs to be a writing component or a study skills component or anything else that you think would be beneficial to the IEP. You could also tell it to do that. So let's just say, please create a writing section within the plebs as well. Now, what you could do is you could just submit this prompt as is, and that'll give you a great result. Or you could also say reference, if I could spell that word correctly, New York State curriculum to support academic sections. Now, what that will do is it will provide more specific language on what that grade level is working on within those areas to create an even more detailed section. So once you click this, right, it will do one of two things. It will create the IEP over again. So start to finish, it will reproduce the entire document. Now, this is convenient in case you hate the whole thing and you want to start over from scratch, or a little bit cumbersome because you're like, I really just wanted those sections. See if you add that tidbit about New York State. It provides references to standards. It will give you areas of need and ways to support those skills. So we just took that one plep section alone, just looking at the reading component, and beefed it up quite a bit. So when you're editing your IEPs using ChatGPT, if you're happy with the first result, but you want to edit and create more, simply just provide it another prompt. Then it will reproduce whatever you're working on and then add to it. And of course, please revise at your own discretion because there will be errors at times. There will be spelling mistakes. It might not be worded exactly how you would like, but again, this is a great starting point and does a lot of the busy work for you.